Health Mentor.
Welcome to the Health Mentor. I am your doctor here, your health companion. Let's ride onto the screen.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Mentor. Today, we're delving into the science of yoga and its remarkable impact on your health. 1. Stress reduction. Let's start with stress, a common health concern. Medical research shows that yoga activates the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress hormones like cortisol. This promotes a sense of relaxation and mental well-being. 2. Improved flexibility. Yoga is renowned for its ability to enhance flexibility. From a medical standpoint, regular stretching through yoga postures increases muscle and joint flexibility, reducing the risk of injuries. 3. Cardiovascular health. Now, let's talk about the heart. Studies reveal that yoga can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood circulation and reducing inflammation. 4. Pain management. Chronic pain can be challenging to manage. Medical experts have found that yoga can alleviate pain by strengthening muscles, improving posture, and releasing endorphins. 5. Enhanced lung function. Breathing is fundamental to life, and yoga places great emphasis on it. Yoga's deep breathing exercises improve lung capacity, making it easier to oxygenate the body and improve overall health. 6. Mental health. Lastly, let's touch on mental health. From a medical perspective, yoga contributes to mental well-being by reducing symptoms of anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder through mindfulness practices. Summary. So, there you have it, the medical science behind yoga and how it positively impacts your health. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve flexibility, or enhance your overall well-being, yoga offers a wealth of benefits backed by scientific research. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Health Mentor for more medical insights simplified for you.
If you have any question or confusion, please reach out me in the comments section. Encourage me by subscribe Health Mentor for more videos. Thank you. See you for the next time.